Good morning, students. It's grade 7, chapter 9, day 27. Chapter 9, Soil. Soil, like air and water, is one of the most important natural resources necessary for life on the earth. Soil supports the growth of the plants and trees by holding their roots firmly and by supplying them water and mineral nutrients. अब सॉइल हमें कितना ज़रूरत है ये बता रखे हम कि प्लांट्स को पकड़ के रखता है, वो नहीं तो प्लांट्स वगैरह होते ही नहीं. सॉइल इज ऑल्सो ए होम फॉर मेनी ऑर्गेनिज्म सच एज माइक्रोनिज्म लाइक बैक्टीरिया एंड फंगी. सॉइल बेटल्स, रोडेंट एंड एंट्स, एर्थवर्म, रेड स्नैक्स एक्सेट्रा. अब इसमें बता रखा है कि सॉइल में भी बहुत सारे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म रहते हैं जो जिंदा रहते हैं, जैसे बैक्टीरिया है, फंगी है, सॉइल बेटल्स है, ये सब सॉइल के अंदर ही रहते हैं. Formation of soil is a slow and gradually process. Soil is formed from rocks by the process of weathering, the process by which rocks are broken down into small rock particles by the action of some heats, winds, rain, flowing water and climatic condition is called weathering. Weathering of rock is a very slow process. It takes millions of years to break rocks into its fine particles to make soil. When plants and animals die, their bodies and decomposed by microorganisms like bacteria and fungi present in the soil to form organic matter called humus. Humus contain nutrients like nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus. प्लांट्स नीड न्यूट्रिएंट्स फॉर देयर ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. प्लांट्स को ह्यूमस की क्या ज़रूरत है? ग्रोथ के लिए ज़रूरत है. द टॉप मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ क्रस्ट कंसिस्टिंग of the mixture of the rocks, particles and human is called the soil. The nature of any soil depend upon the rocks from which is formed and the type of vegetation that grow in it. सॉइल क्या क्या है बता रखा है. अभी जैसे ये सॉइल के बारे में हमें बता रखे हैं. Soil is composed of different layers. Let us perform an activity to know about the various constituents of soil. To identify the various constituents of the soil. Soil के बारे में हम पता करेंगे. Think needed a glass tumbler, soil samples, a glass rod and water. Method: take a handful of soil from the school, garden or any other place and break the clumps and hand to powder it. Now take a breaker and fill this fourth of the with water. पानी के साथ इसको मिला लो. Add a handful of powdered soil to it. Stir the mixture well with a glass rod and allow it to stand undisturbed for a few hours. अब कुछ देर के लिए इसको रखेंगे. After a few hours, you observe that the soil separated into different layers on the basis of their particle size. At the bottom of glass tumbler, the layer अभी पूरे नीचे नीचे रॉक particles वो ग्रेवल होते हैं, ये सैंड होते हैं, ये सिल्ट होते हैं, ये क्लेई और सॉइल होते हैं, ये वाटर एंड ह्यूमस जो ऊपर ऊपर रहते हैं वो ह्यूमस आ जाते हैं. Of the gravel is seen, it is the layer of heavier and larger size particles. Above the layer of gravels, the layer of sand is seen. Above the layer of sand, fine grains of soil called clay is seen. Between clay and sand, the thin layer of silt is seen. The water above clay is not completely clear. It is still contain very fine particles of clay. Humus is the form of dead rotting leaves or animals. Remaining is found floating on air, water. कंक्लूजन में बता रहे हैं. द सॉइल कंटेन्स ग्रेवल एंड सैंड, प्रैक्टिकल सिल्टी, क्लेज एंड ह्यूमस that are arranged in layers. Different kinds of soil are formed due to difference in the relative proportion of the constituent of soil. Thank you.